In this video we'll review the Empower Cash Advance app and find out if it's really worth using. Empower is a personal finance app that offers small cash advances of up to $300 with no interest or late fees. It's designed to help you cover short-term expenses between paychecks while offering extra tools like budgeting and savings tracking. To get an advance, you connect your bank account and show consistent income deposits. Empower doesn't run a hard credit check, and repayment happens automatically on your next payday. Funding usually takes one business day, but you can get instant delivery for a small fee. However, after a free trial, you'll pay an $8 monthly subscription fee to keep access to the service. The app's biggest advantages are its simple approval process, no interest advances, and smart money management tools. It's great for avoiding high-interest payday loans and can help you manage cash flow responsibly. But there are downsides: the monthly fee, extra charges for instant cash, and relatively low advance limits. Some users also report occasional bank connection or app glitches. Overall, Empower can be worth it if you just need small, fast advances and appreciate its budgeting tools. But if you need larger amounts or want a completely free option, you might find better alternatives. Stay tuned and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.